let me hope this is the first annual rib eating contest. Thank you to our partners for helping us with this fundraiser. All of the funds raised from this event today go to the 2024 Ortonville Fireworks. It is because of generosity of the community and events like this that we're able to host the fireworks annually. So thank you so much. We are still taking donations for the fireworks. We have a tin over here. We'll pass around and, you know, make a little donation. That'd be great. Really quickly, I'll just run through our contestants today, starting down here. We have Johnny Lundy from Hill Building, sponsored by Johnny! McLaren, sponsored by Nick Thomas with Silver Line. Clausen, sponsored by the Township Public Library. Sponsored by the Brandon City Council. Jason Rumble, sponsored by Termites, Plumbing and Heating. Brandon Baroni, sponsored by Family and Claxton. All right. We really appreciate your generosity, and thank you again to Beaky's for working with us to make this happen. I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to Jen from Beaky's now, who will run through the rules and get us started.
All right.
My name is Jennifer Wilkins. I'm from Beaky's World. My brother Matt and I are the new owners of the store. We're super excited to be able to do this year. This will be the first annual. We plan on doing this every year, which is pretty cool. So to give the rules for all these lovely contestants, they get 3 minutes to eat as many ribs as possible. 3 minutes to eat as many as possible. We will definitely refill their tray as soon as the slab is gone. Winner of this contest to win this lovely rib eating champion, as well as the coveted pig. Nice shelf sitters. Good. So we'll go ahead and count you guys down. We got the timers ready, girls? All right. In 3, 2, 1, go! Woo!
Nice work. Nice work.
It's much harder.
Yup.
Go, go, go!
It's okay. There you go. Yep.
Go, girl!
Good job. Good job. Yep. 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 Those are meaty bones. Yep. You got it. Yep. Keep going.
Come on, Brandon.
Looking good. Looking good. Go, Brandon. Go. Keep working.
He's got the Cajun.
Keep eating. Keep eating. Woohoo. Woohoo.
2 minutes left.
Hey, buddy, you made it?
2 minutes
Johnny's doing good, isn't he? Yeah, look at that timer. Yeah. He's got 3 minutes to eat as many as he can. Yep, there you go. Keep working. Throw them bones over the clear one. There you go. Nice job. Nice job. Good job. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Keep going. Yep.
You can also change it like this is looking at.
Keep going.
Fantastic.
That's it. That's it. Yep. That's it.
Come on, Taylor, let's go! All the water training! You got this!
All right. Keep working. Keep working.
Chew, chew, chew!
Yep.
Keep going.
How much more time we got? How much more time? 1 minute. 1 minute. Woo! Nice. That's it. Keep her going. Keep her going. Woo. That's it. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. Oh yeah. You got it. You got it.
Come on, Taylor, you got this. Let's go.
Woo.
Woo.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Encouragement. Encouragement. Yep. Come on. Hey, give me a picture of Johnny with his hands. Let me see your water, buddy. Water in a minute? You get a good picture? Okay, good. That one's good. Wow. Right? Yeah, I got you, buddy. Oh, you know, that's covered with water. Oh, yeah. Hold your hands up one more time. You want to... That's good, buddy. Nice job. Yep. What do you think? What do you think, Hunter? Yeah. That's some serious work, right? Yeah.
Mom, find out who won who. The guy all the way over on the end.
That was some eating right there, huh?
He got just slapped.
Yeah.
Jesse did? He got all the way on the end.
There you go, yeah. Careful, you got it on the underside now.
Yeah. Oh, you were talking.
Yeah.
Wet wipes, guys? Yeah.
Here comes wet wipes for you. Yes. Wow. Yeah. More wet wipes.
I was like,
Yeah, I think
Bleeding. Right.
I was like, I went crazy, but I just don't have it. He was right there. That evidently.
Whoa. The guy way down the end from Brandon AD, he ate one and a portion of another. There you go. The next. That's Oktoberfest. Right. That'll be the Oktoberfest beer.
All right, we have some winners. That's funny. Wait. And then clean their faces, though.
Woohoo!
In first place, we have Jesse Johnson. Second place, we have Brandon Baroni. Third place, we have Jason Peck.
Dude, that was a lot.
I want to say thank you again to everybody who joined us today. We'll see you all again in September for the pie eating contest. Almost said
Yeah, sign up for the
pie eating contest.
sign up for it's going to be
Let us know. Get that $100 collected and we'll get you the
Wait, $100?
Tomorrow morning is opening day of the farmers market. It is Father's Day weekend, so the first 50 dads get free breakfast at the pub once you come and visit the info booth.
That's good breakfast.
And to all of our contestants, make sure you take your downtown dollars, your sunglasses, your pins, and your rolling.
Yeah. Take your downtown dollars.